Hi, this is a Texas Nail Educator, and this is an 8-part series on the Manicure, both the written and practical exam for the state of Texas. First of all, I would like for you to look at this PSI, Texas Department of License and Regulation, Manicure License Examination Candidates Information Bulletin, your CIB. I give my students this book on the first day of class because this book has all the information you need in it to get your license. On the bottom of the book, it will tell you whether or not you have the latest version. This revised version came out on January the 11th in 2019. One of the things I would like for TDLR to do is send us an email and let us know that a new book is out, but they don't. So anyway, when you go to the PSI website, and I will link it at the bottom of this video, always check the revised date. All right, so your PSI book, what's in it? One of the first things is in it is how much does it cost for the exams. The written exam is $50 and the practical exam is $72. I also want you to know that after you have paid this fee, you'll also have to pay your license fee. So don't think it's over. So you have a written exam fee, a practical exam fee, and your license fee. In this book, we'll have your numbers to call for scheduling, or you can schedule your test online. It will give you like an example of how you'll use a computer to do your written test. It will tell you how to schedule, how can you lose your fee, what kind of accommodations, what languages they'll do the exam in, and the location. You can take your exam in any of these locations in the state of Texas. It doesn't matter, like I live in Houston, I can take my exam in Houston, or I can take it in any of these locations. If you are in Houston, there's only one place to take your written, and one place to take your practical, but 3 places you can take your written. You can take your written at North location, Greenbrier Place. You can take your written at the East location on I-10, or the Southwest location off of the Beltway 8, or you can take it Northwest. The Northwest location off the Northwest Freeway, you can take your written and your practical if you live here in Houston. When you go to the exam site, the most major requirement is for you to wear closed-toe shoes. I know some schools will require you to wear a lab jacket and your school uniform. It doesn't say you have to do that. The only thing it requires you to wear is closed-toe shoes. Of course, I wouldn't wear any booty shorts, but closed-toe shoes are required. You need to have your ID. You and your model must have your ID. All right. Then it gives you the information about taking your written exam. This is on page 8 of the PSI test book. Stay tuned for part 2 to get the information about your written tests, what's on it, what chapters you need to study, and how many questions are involved.